you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you don't give up. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you don't give up. What you won't do. I guess you wonder where I've been. I guess you're fine.
We are officially back vlogging. It's February. It's my birthday month. It's Black History Month, so happy Black History Month to you all. I go on vacation next week. I wanted this vlog to be like a maintenance vlog. Yesterday, it was kind of short notice. I had to wash my hair and get everything together so I can go and get these pretty braids put in. I got like extra boho in them, but they came out super cute, you know, ready for vacation. We ready for vacation. If you watched the last 2 or 3 vlogs, I was saying I wanted to get a new camera, the Sony ZV-E10, and every time I went to Best Buy or any type of camera store, I could never find it in person. I just wanted to see it in person before I made the purchase. But then I got on YouTube and I seen 1,000,001 videos talking about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I finally got my hands on it. It is so cute. I cannot wait to take this thing out and try it. So this is not like a tech review, but because I'm going on vacation next week and I want this to be the main camera that I use, I want to play around with the settings and just use it all day today while we try to do some maintenance and getting prepared for this vacation. I'm just so excited. It's so small and sleek and compact. I really like this camera so far. I just took it straight out the box. I didn't change any settings on it, but it is super cute. And believe it or not, although I've been vlogging for quite some time, I still get nervous when I'm out in public recording with my camera. So I always tend to grab for my cell phone, which doesn't give me the best quality because I'm facing this way. You know, I got the front facing, so I can make sure that I'm in focus. And then the audio quality is not that good. But with the DJI Osmo Pocket, it has this nice size screen on it, and I'm just so excited to start vlogging with it. So we're gonna put this little thing to the test. I did get the creator combo kit, of course, because I'm a creator. I wanna make some really nice, cinematic, beautiful vlogs and content for you all. I hope you all had a nice start to the new year, enjoyed your Valentine's Day, and celebrating Black History Month as we should. Yesterday when I was trying to vlog before I went and got my hair done, I had the microphone hooked to me because it has this little magnet in the back of it, and I lost it. I dropped it. I couldn't find it, and I'm like, I know it's in the car because I didn't go anywhere. I was thinking to myself, like, maybe it's hooked onto something underneath the seat because it is a magnet and it's metal underneath of there. So I was like, dang, maybe it's underneath the seat. And I found it. I'm so excited. So I do have the little magnet piece back on the back of my microphone. It's looked like this small little tiny magnet piece just to go on the back of the microphone so it can attach to your clothes. If you don't want to use the actual clip piece, you can just attach it to your clothes. I sound like I'm selling this damn camera, but I'm not. I'm just so hyped up about it because it's so cute and small, and it's something that I really wanted because it films in 4K 60. Y'all, this is the techie nerdy side of me, but it films in 4K 60 and it don't crop in. Y'all know I've been using my my Canon G7X, which doesn't film in 4K, and I can't add an external microphone to it. And then for my sit down videos, I usually use my Canon M50, which it crops in, so I can't film that in 4K. So to have something this small and sleek and be able to record in 4K, I'm excited about it. So yeah, but right now we're about to pull up to the bank. I'm gonna go in and get some ones so I can tip while we on vacation, and I'll pick y'all up in a minute. Target. Wild Fable. Wild Fable. Girl, the Wild Fable is nice in Target. Anyway, we in Target right now. We just left out of the bank. Kayla had like $1 million in dimes. She had them in the flower pot. Excuse me. I'm trying to find a bathing suit cover to go with one of my bathing suits that I got in the house. And I think it's like pink, but I wanted a light pink one. Oh, they got some really cute tote bags in here too. They're only $10. How cute. All right, so look, get in the frame. And if I tap on your face, it follows you. That's slick, ain't it? What do your father want? Keep calling me every 5 seconds. Look, it's still following you. Hey, we in Target.
Ew. I don't like it. It's like the little robot on the vacuum cleaner.
But they got this like sheer color bottom. I was looking for more of like a top cover up that open up to wear with my bathing suit. I think that'll be cute instead of just having a bottom. I really need some sandals, right? But I only see some cute flip-flops. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. What you think? My feet dry. Don't look at them. I can't show y'all because my feet ashy. But these are cute. Oh, they hurt, though. Jesus Christ. Yeah, they hurt. Never mind. These was the sandals I was talking about. Back to the Osmo Pocket 3. Look at how smooth that footage is. Ooh. I'm just too hyped up about this little pocket. Michaela's looking for a little vase for her flowers and that she got for Valentine's Day. You might want to try Home Goods or Marshall's, one of those places, to find a color that you're looking for. This Target literally have everything that you could possibly need to travel as far as toiletries. Oh my goodness. What do I need? I'm sorry. My bad. So we are fresh out of Target. Thank God. Look at everybody looking at me like I'm crazy, but guess what? I don't care, finally, because I got this little DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm so excited. We're going to test out this microphone out in the wind. Right now I got the wind muff on it, but I'm going to try it without it once we get situated because it's freezing out here. We in town, just came from getting some lunch. I got a cold cut. Kayla got some Western fries. Devon got a chicken box. I feel like I did this vlog before with y'all. Like, we was sitting down at the same spot last time. But anyway, I came down here by the water because I wanted to test out the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and see how it is in sunlight. I did watch 1,000,001 videos and they were saying that you should use a filter with the DJI Osmo Pocket, especially when you out in bright sunlight. And like I mentioned before, I want to take this on vacation with me and I don't have a filter. I could order one from Amazon. I really don't know too much about it because I really want to get nice, good quality content. But I don't know. I don't know if it'll be back in time. I'll look on Amazon and see. But I wanted to test it out just with the basic auto settings that I have on it right now and test it out. But it is hella birds and swans and stuff out here. And I don't know if I want to get out the car. Look, it's literally one on top of our car. But look at all of them birds and seagulls that's out there. And ducks and all types of stuff. And I'm not trying to get out the car, get attacked. But so far, looking at it through the screen, the color looks really good to me. Even the sky, I can see the clouds in it. It don't look oversaturated or blown out, overexposed or nothing like that. So I don't know. I don't want to overthink it. I want it to be nice and simple. That was the whole reason of getting this camera. But yeah, look at that. Look at all these damn birds. I'm gonna finish up my lunch real quick, but I do want to try out the microphone, being as though it's real windy right here. Just want to see how good it sounds. I know it sounds good because, like I said, I'm watching 1,000,001 videos, but I want to try it myself. So let me finish eating. I'll pick you up in a bit. Michaela want to be a good Samaritan and go and feed the birds. So we're gonna see how this go. Just throw it, Kayla. Don't wait. Just throw it, Kayla. Don't wait. Is this one more time? I don't know.
Just keep running or we'll open the door for you.
Throw it! They're all around the car. They're all right here. Should I throw one? No, I wanted to go out there and throw one since Kayla did it, but now they all surrounding the car and we can't get out. This was supposed to be like a maintenance vlog of me getting ready and prepared for vacation, but I didn't feel comfortable taking the Osmo Pocket inside of the nail salon because of all the dust and debris. You know, I didn't want it to get inside of any of the little crease and crevices and cause any issues because it's not durable. I'm gonna take the Osmo Pocket 3 as my main camera, but I'm gonna also take my GoPro. It can withstand a lot of stuff, so I definitely want to take that. But I got my nails done. They turned out super cute. And then I went to the liquor store because I wanted to get some liquor. We are going to a Galentine celebration that my girlfriend is throwing later on tonight. I inserted a few clips from her little Galentine's Day event, but I'm not going to be able to bring y'all completely with me because it's in her house. And I gotta respect other people's privacy just because I like being on camera, everybody else don't. And let me show you real quick what we got from Target. I got some makeup wipes. I grabbed a few of these little empty bottles just to put some lotion or sunscreen or whatever in so we're not taking up a lot of space in our luggage. I got some toothpaste, some lip oil. I've been wanting to try this lip oil by e.l.f. A lot of people compare this to the Dior lip oil. Matter of fact, let me try it right now and see, because I don't have nothing on my lips, I don't think. This color that I have is called Honey Talks. So y'all know I'm a neutral girl. I love the neutral colors, but this is what it looks like. Why I keep doing this? I keep forgetting my camera is so good. I don't have to do all of that. But this is what it looks like. And I want to try this on my lips. Oh, look at the applicator. The applicator is really nice as well. I like how wide it is, but let's see what it looks like. It feels good. It definitely feels good on the lips. I like that. Sorry, I'm just looking down at the screen, but yeah, that's super cute, nice and neutral. So I'm gonna wait for a little bit and see how I like it. But it's really inexpensive. I think it was about $8. My husband wanted some super glue, so I grabbed him that. And then I just got us some toothbrushes that I can throw away after we use because I don't want to take out electric toothbrushes. And I got some soap. Lotion. Lord have mercy. What else is in it? Oh, I did grab the NYX eyebrow glue. So I can do something with these eyebrows. I don't plan on wearing any type of makeup or nothing like that. Nothing heavy because I always get a tan when I'm on vacation. And I feel like it's pointless to bring foundation because it never matches me. So I'm not even going to be bothered with all of that. But yeah, so that's all the stuff that I got from Target. And back to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Another feature that I really love on this is the active track. Y'all can see that I'm moving around and it's just following with me. How cool is that? Especially because I'm my own camera person. And instead of just having my camera sitting still on a tripod, I got this cute little Osmo Pocket that can follow me around and add a little bit more detail to my vlog. Let me go ahead and get myself together because it's already 5. Oh my gosh. It's 5:14 and her Galentine thing started at 5 o'clock. All right, so we are all dressed and I didn't feel like doing no makeup or nothing like that. We're going to her house, so it's not a big deal. I got on this cute little sweater, just some little regular jeans, and then my Air Force Ones.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy.
I was a little lighter, but
Y'all, I have not picked y'all up since yesterday, and it is already 3 o'clock in the afternoon the next day. So we have so much stuff that I need to still finish doing. I did pack a little bit. I don't really have too much left to do as far as packing. Why is he sitting there? Oh, his car broke down. I don't have much left to do as far as packing, but it's just so much going on right before we leave, of course. Per usual, it's a lot of family members' birthdays that are in February, and my grandmother's birthday is today. She's a twin, and we are on our way to go and celebrate with her, but I'm not staying long. I'm only going to stay for an hour because I still have things that I need to do. I have not got my toes done yet. Yesterday when I went to the nail shop, I just had them do my nails because my husband wanted to go and get a pedicure as well. I just don't know how much time we got. I really need to get my toes done. We are back home and this vlog is such a fail. Oh my goodness. It's just been crazy. The last few days has been so crazy. The last few days has been so crazy. I just came from getting my toes done. It is literally 6:30 at night. I still feel like I got so much stuff that I need to do. It's insane, but it is what it is. At this point, I'm not even stressing it. I'm down here in my office and I'm just grabbing some skincare items that I'm gonna bring with me. But other than that, I'm pretty much packed. I think I have everything that I need. If I don't, oh well, okay. But I will see y'all on vacation because this vlog right here is ghetto.